Hi everyone, I'm Mudra and I'm an architect associated with BVM Insol. Today we are at Petka Siona to take a house tour for one of our clients. The house is basically a 3 BHK luxurious apartment mainly designed for an IT couple and their daughter. So Preeti ma'am and Nilesh sir are an IT couple and they have a 7-year-old daughter. So the brief given to us by the client was the house should be elegant yet classy, which was the main theme that we've designed the house around. So let's take a look at the house. Coming to the entrance, at the entrance we have incorporated a shoe rack in the existing niche which was there. In this, the shoe rack we have designed in such a way which has a small seating area. Since the lobby is a small space, we have used ample light in the lobby to make it well lit. Now coming towards the living area. The living area was, we already were going to use the existing sofa which is blue in color. So we had to, that was one basic requirement where we had to work around. So we have given a TV unit in ply and paneling, where we have given golden inserts in the paneling which adds a little bit of a bling to the rafters. So basically for the TV unit we have used a sleek TV unit with a ledge above and a paneling behind. The paneling we have given in stone finish laminate, and the rafters on the next to it are basically in wooden finish laminate with golden inserts. Moving on to the kitchen, we have done a lot of civil changes in the kitchen, wherein we have incorporated a crockery unit on the side. So ma'am has been very fond of crockery, so we've given a big crockery unit next to the dining table.
along with me is my husband Nilesh and my daughter Advika. I would like to thanks BVM to design my house as per my requirement and as what I really wanted to. This is our first time we are interacting with some interior designer and with some firm who can design our own dream home or maybe a place or slice of sky, I would say. And I was little hesitant when I started taking I started interacting with Vishal, like how they will take up my requirement, how they will design the stuffs. I was not sure. But when I met Vishal first time, he really made us comfortable with whatever the thought he shared with us, the designs what he already implemented on few clients, and that really made us confident, like yes, we are, my home is in good hands. And then when I interacted with Mudra, she really understand what we are really looking for. She really noted down all the requirements, each and every minor detail. So it was really a way of interaction. She always make herself available for us, like whatever the issues we have or whatever the queries we have. Even in the implementation phase, she was like she usually get connected with us, like this is what going on, this is this is what is planned and all. So I really like to thanks Mudra and the team who really implemented a well what we expected, and it was really 100% implementation.
We also worried this COVID situation because we are staying at far from the site, and we already means we are not sure how the work is going to execute, and we don't have that much time that travel to the site and see the works. It's going as per our requirement, but the team gives us a confidence, and when the work is started, they shared the pictures and photos at phase wise. Whenever they complete some work, they share the photos and we get the confidence. And whenever we find something is not going as per the plan, we talk to Mudra and Vishalji, so they convey that message to the workers, and the team executing that very carefully and very elegantly. And that's the beauty we notice, that when staying away from the site and getting that work done as per our requirement in this pandemic situation, that is really helpful us to that we took the correct decision and given our work to the correct interior designer firm. Thanks to Vishal, Mudra and the entire team who execute all the works in our house. And it's really a beautiful when someone appreciates, someone visit your house and means appreciate each and every corner of the house. That's the way we want our house to be designed, and we want everyone step in our house and appreciate the work. So thanks to the team.
Well, I like my room a lot. I like my study table. I always study there. When in my old house I used to study on the dining tables and sofa and all. The most favorite thing in my room is my study table only.